you don't mind.
Hello and welcome to Prop Tiger's Right to Home online event, where we will connect prospective home buyers with reputed developers and their top projects across the country. I am your host Surabhi Gupta, and to help you pick the best property options in Mumbai metropolitan region, we have with us esteemed panelist from Spenta, who will answer some of the most pertaining queries related to their projects in the region. I would like to welcome Mr. Krunal Joshi. Welcome. And from Prop Tiger, we have Mr. Brijesh Pathak. Welcome. Now I would request our panelists to introduce the company that they are representing. Over to you, Mr. Joshi.
Very good afternoon, one and all present over here. So I'll just quickly brief you what Spenta is all about. So Spenta being a Parsi organization, our directors are Mr. Cooper, Aspen Cooper and Farshid Cooper are the managing directors of the company. Primarily, most of the projects are high-end ticket size projects which are done in South Bombay, right from Altamount Road, Hughes Road, Pedder Road, Kemps Corner, Walkeshwar, Fawcett Street, where the ticket size starts from 10, 20, 30 CR plus. Now, if you talk about Spenta as a group, there are 4 under construction projects going on currently in Bombay. So we have one project which is in Matunga West, bang opposite Shobha Restaurant on Lady Jamshedji Road. It's a standalone tower, 44-story tower. It's between Spenta and Anchor Group. It's a joint venture. Then we have 2 projects which are lined up in Chembur, currently going on in Chembur. So one is Alta Vista and one is Countdown Next, for which I'll brief you with regards to Countdown Next on a later stage. Also, we have one project which is in Thane, Tinath Naka. It's again a 44-story tower, standalone tower. So these are 4 under construction projects going on for Spenta. And we have done and delivered projects in South Bombay and Andheri.
Okay, that's great. That's great. I think due to some technical difficulties, we have lost Mr. Brijesh. We'll get back to him once he joins us again. Meanwhile, before we begin, let me show you some glimpses of Spenta, your maybe future home. Here's a video for all our viewers.
It's the accomplishment of your dreams. It's the joy of reliving your childhood. It's the satisfaction of seeing your family safe and happy. It's the place that completes you. The place that connects you to the friendly hustle-bustle of our metropolitan city. A prime location in Chembur that connects you quickly and easily between work and home through the Eastern Express Highway, Eastern Freeway, Navi Mumbai, Bandra Kurla Complex and Powai. A residence that offers the right balance between connectivity and comfort. Blissful surroundings in a prime Mumbai hub that make you instantly feel at home. Smartly designed 1 and 2 BHK homes, fully finished with every necessity and a handful of luxuries as well. Welcome to the place where all you have imagined is now within your reach. Step right into this exquisite world where everything that had seemed impossible has become possible. Enjoy the grandeur that welcomes you and your guests in the magnificent double-height entrance lobby. Find a living space with enough room for your imagination. Turn a house into the home of your dreams. Cook up feasts and celebrate special moments with your family and friends. Escape into the fantastic dreamland. And share these dreams with your loved ones. Begin and end every day in peaceful luxury. Keep yourself healthy enough to enjoy the world around you. Celebrate every moment, big or small. Enjoy the urban landscape around you from these magnificent vantage points. Dive into the sky and plunge into peace. Surround yourself with the laughter and the joy of friends, family, and neighbors. Explore your heart and mind. Have a conversation with the stars. Hold your world in your fist. Because what you have wished is now within your reach, where the life you imagine meets the life you can reach. Countdown X. The life you imagine is now possible. Project by Spenta. In association with Sabri Group.
So that was your maybe future home. Mr. Brijesh has joined us. Mr. Brijesh, please introduce the company that you're representing today.
Hey, thanks, Surbi. Hi, a very warm welcome to all our esteemed viewers. Myself, Brijesh Pathak. I look after the central and western region of Mumbai for PropTiger.com. Talking about the company, so PropTiger.com is probably established in 2011, and since our inception, we have helped more than 25,000 happy families in their home buying plans. PropTiger.com believes in a clear, candid, and transparent services to its clients. We offer an array of services, probably which comprises of research-based consulting on properties, dedicated home loan team that is in-house with an exposure to almost all the dignified financial institutions and banks, an expert legal advice, etc. And that the best part of this is that all these services come free of cost for all our esteemed clients. Thanks.
Great. Thank you, Mr. Pathak. So now let's begin our session. Mr. Joshi, please tell us about your projects in Mumbai and what are you offering here and how these projects are different from each other, please.
So currently, we have recently launched a tower known as Countdown X, which is in Chembur, which is primarily in the heart of city. It is in central suburbs, well connected to your BKC, your Eastern Express Highway, Eastern Freeway. Somebody who wants to go to airport is just 15 to 20 minutes around the corner, and it's majorly connected to all office commercial spaces. So if I talk about Countdown X, there is a presentation. Can you just tell us about, can you just show us the presentation about Countdown X? It's a 26-story tower, single standalone tower. So it's basically divided into two wings.
Okay.
Yeah, so this is what we were talking about. It's Countdown Next. Can you just change the slide, please? Yes. Yes, so this is how the elevation looks like. This is a 26-story single standalone tower designed by Mr. Hafiz Contractor. He's a designer architect.
Mr. Joshi, you are on mute. Yeah.
Yeah, so this is what we were talking about, Countdown Next. We have recently launched a tower. Today is the launch date of the tower. So this is a 26-story single standalone tower divided into two wings. This project is designed by Hafiz Contractor. Arabian Construction Company is a construction architect. Talking about Countdown Next, we have most of the amenities given to you over here. Can you just next? Yeah, these are few common amenities that are given to you. So you have a swimming pool, gymnasium, meditation area, banquet hall, barbecue area, double-heighted entrance lobby. Now, talking about lobby, these are basically signature lobbies designed by Talati and Pantaki. Plus, most of our flats are Vastu compliant flats, so we not consult any Vastu consultant. It's a Vastu compliant homes. Talking about common amenities, these are all rooftop amenities as shown in the presentation. Internal amenities, if you talk about, we are giving you a completely done up apartment, right from marble flooring in your living and dining, master bedroom. I'm giving you a vitrified tiles, completely done up modular kitchen with cabinets, along with white goods, fridge, microwave oven, washing machine, aqua guard, pipe gas connection. Split AC is given to all the rooms, so it's like a complete done up apartment. You can see a fully finished house. What else do you want? If somebody, like if a developer like Spenta is giving you. So this is what it is. So the only thing you need to bring in is your movables. That's a movable furniture. This is what we are offering. Now the connectivity that we are talking about, Spenta being Countdown Next, being in Chembur, it's centrally located. Schools, colleges, restaurant, clubs, and mostly all the major connecting infrastructure are in and around this area. So we have recent, so there is a metro connectivity which is coming from Kasaragod only, which is from Thana. It will be connecting you to Wadala. So it is just 2 minutes from our project. So somebody who is coming from Thana, the timeline for travel would be less than 45 minutes. Somebody who wants to go to South Bombay through BKC, through Eastern Freeway, he can connect in next 30 minutes. Somebody who wants to go to Powai, SCLR, Lower Parel, Nariman Point, Navi Mumbai, if you want to travel to your airport, anything around the corner from our project is just 30 minutes round the corner. Yes. So these are few micro market analysis that we have done. So most of the clients that are coming for Countdown Next are through these locations. So Brijesh, this would help you out as well. Chembur Sindhi Society, Wadala, Kurla, Sion, and these are few. So we are having a 1 BHK, 2 BHK apartments. So the price point at which we are offering Countdown Next is much lesser than what the market is offering. So this is like an opportunity for someone who is looking out for an under construction property, or somebody who is looking at a budget homes. You cannot consider a budget homes, but a luxury in a pocket friendly ticket size. Talking about Spenta, I have already introduced Spenta. So Spenta was founded in 1989. Mr. Cooper and family are the managing directors of the company. Mostly all the projects are done in South Bombay. 4 projects going on in Chembur. So this Countdown Next project is with our partner Shabri Group. So they take care of the licensing part, and Hafiz Contractor is a designer architect. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. Joshi, for an elaborative answer. Mr. Brijesh, I want to know from you now, like, what is the future of a market like Chembur in terms of price rise?
Okay. I'm on. Yeah. So, Surabhi, see, probably Kunal has well explained it in the project presentation as well. So, overall, if you see, Mumbai is quite a debatable market when it comes to the price point and all. But now, in the recent past, we have seen some clear segregation here. So one side wherein the prices have been at a saturation, especially for the high value homes, which are 4 crore, 5 crores or a 10 crore home. On the other hand, affordable luxury has taken a horizon shift on the positive end. So the consumers are now more keen for homes that give them the optimum usage, well-planned habitability at a price point which they can afford. And even probably government is strategically looking for the infra development in some special pockets of Mumbai and suburb region, which is surely going to boost the ROI of such investments. And Chembur especially is one such coveted location, which is centrally located, as well as it boasts a connectivity via the special accesses like SCLR, freeway, BKC connector, Eastern Express Highway. It has monorail already, and probably there is upcoming metro as well.
Right.
So the biggest advantage is that it suits the fast lifestyle of the Mumbai on the commuting side, and it's already a habitable infrastructure. So that's all from my side for this.
Okay. Mr. Joshi, so what are the USPs of your projects that like the Spenta built, and what is that one thing that home buyers like the most about your projects? What would you like to say about that?
So if you talk about Spenta as a group, and if you talk, firstly, I would talk about home buyers specifically. So what? So if you are a home buyer, what is that one thing that you would be looking at? So first thing and the foremost thing is the developer's credibility. So a brand like Spenta, it has a good credibility in the market. We have good delivery timeline, timely delivery in the market. So that is what a home buyer is looking out for an under construction properties, because earlier home buyers were very skeptical about under construction properties, wherein they were reluctant to buy. They were scared whether they will get the delivery about the project. Post RERA coming into picture since 2016, things are more streamlined if you talk about. So now developer like Spenta and any other developers in Bombay, where the projects are RERA registered, one should not be afraid of buying an under construction property. And post pandemic, the things have changed a bit looking at the overall market scenario. So the ticket size is the first thing that a client is looking at. So pre-COVID, there were clients who were looking out for 1 BHK in Chembur at a price point of 120, 130, 140. And 2 BHK, the clients were looking at around 1.5 to 2 CR. Correct?
Right.
So now, post-pandemic, the situation has changed. Now the client is looking out for a 1 BHK at a price point of 70, 80, 90 lakhs.
Right.
And 2 BHK, the client is looking at 1 CR to 1.4 CR. So that's where our forte is. So we have come up with a project like Countdown Next, where as a developer, we are fulfilling the client's dreams and requirement along with luxury. So if I'm offering you a 1 BHK with all modern amenities at a price point of 76 lakhs, what else do you want in a location like Chembur? So 76 lakhs, if we talk about in 2016, 2017, 2018 market, any of the client would go rather Thane market to buy a property. But now all the things are available in Chembur. So right from 75 lakhs to 1.4 CR is what we are offering in Chembur with all modern amenities. Yes.
Okay. So, like both of you talked about it, Mumbai is primarily a high-end market. We all know that, and the returns on investment is very debatable. So, Mr. Pathak, first I want to know from you, like, what would you like to say about when it comes to return on investment specifically in Mumbai, and specifically in a location like Chembur? Mr. Pathak, yeah.
Surbi, see, probably an aspect of it is already covered, and probably I would add more to it. So, see, Chembur, any market, so it's not precisely, so this is something global. I'm telling you that any market would, or any specific location would get an ROI only if it is well supported by the social infrastructure.
Right.
And in terms of Mumbai itself, whole geography, there are certain markets who have a stagnant growth from, or probably no growth in last 5 years.
Yeah.
And then there are some market or some location in the same tenure which have seen a surge in the price rise. So why is it so? I think the only thing which has been a clear differential here is the infrastructure, how the place have come transformed in the last 4 or 5 years. So Chembur is such one place. Probably I see every year there is some or the other addition to its infrastructure, and the very recent one is the BKC connector. So I think it's just recently that there is a connector which has probably reduced the timeline of traveling from Chembur to BKC in just 5-10 minutes. So it already was blessed with the SELR, the freeway and everything. So I think, yes, as a market, I think Chembur is a very prominent market if you look on the ROI side. And then a project like Spenta, which is even giving the affordability with the quotient of luxury. I think this is again a project to look at. Yeah.
Great answer, Mr. Pathak. Mr. Joshi, would you like to add something to this?
Yes, so if you talk about return on ROI, yes, Mr. Pathak is right on his part. So if you talk about ROI, Chembur as a market is quite debatable. You have ticket size starting from, you can say 75 lakh, it goes up to 10 CR, right? So if you talk about a high-end ticket size in Chembur, yes, high-end ticket size, I mean property about 2 CR plus, yes. The market is stagnant, the market is not moving much. But if you talk about a ticket size at a price point what we are offering, yes, you can see a good appreciation in the next 3 to 4 years down the line, looking at the connectivity what Chembur has and the infra development what Chembur is offering.
Okay, so this one question our viewers ask the most: why is this the right time to buy? So, Mr. Joshi, how would you convince our viewers about that?
Yes, so if you talk about buying an under construction property, yes, this is the right time to buy an under construction property because if you see the housing loan has slashed from 9.5% to 6.7%. So that's the opportunity that most of the home buyers are looking at. Plus, there is a myth which is there in the entire market that the property prices have slashed. Yes, it has not slashed, but yes, there are few places where it has been corrected. So this is an opportunity for any home buyers to enter the market.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
And Maharashtra government has announced another 1% stamp duty cut for women home buyers.
Yes. So to give a real estate a boost, yes, there is a reduction in stamp duty registration rate, which was earlier 6%, which was reduced to 2%. Okay, now it is up to 3% in March 2021, and somebody who is registering their property post 2021, then it would be around 5%. Yes, so most of the home buyers are cashing in the opportunity, and if you would have read any of the articles in Times of India, Hindustan Times, you know, most of the registrations have happened in Bombay in the last quarter or so. So yes, you can definitely see an upside in real estate industry plus an under construction property across Bombay.
Yeah. So, Mr. Joshi, what is the minimum down payment a buyer has to pay for booking the unit in your project?
We have two projects which are going on. We have Alta Vista, where the minimum payment is 5.5 lakh rupees, and then the client can go for a home loan, and most of the payments would be coming from the bank side. And if you talk about Countdown Next specific, that's 2.5 lakh rupees, 2,62,500 to be precise.
Okay. So, Mr. Joshi, can you tell our viewers, like, what are the precautions that you have taken to ensure proper safety during the site visit? Because see, the cases are rising again. There is a partial lockdown in some regions of Thane. Mr. Joshi, what is your builder doing?
Yes, so Spenta as a group, we are following all safety measures are taken care. Spenta as a group, one has to site all safety protocols has to
Yeah, Mr. Pathak, my next question is for you. Like, can you share some tips for our investors who want to invest in under construction properties and things they should be cautious about as now, like with the pandemic going on, the construction speed has like really slowed down. What would you like to say about that?
So, Surabhi, I hope this is one of the very important question, and as first to any buyer, probably the first time buyers are more cautious about this. So, yeah, well. Probably some crucial aspects which one should definitely refer before considering a property, especially under construction. First is the developer credential. So when I'm talking about the developer credential, you should definitely look into the past track record of the developer, the kind of deliveries it has made, the kind of projects they have delivered, and what timelines they have adhered to. And that is something which is easily accessible, especially for developers of repute. So that is the first point. Secondly, one best thing which has happened to all of us as a consumer is the RERA thing. So RERA has eased a lot of things when it comes to the due diligence part of it. So probably one getting a RERA number, you can be assured that a major part of the due diligence has already been set up for the consumer. So yes, of course, check into the RERA and its nitty-gritties. Third and important aspect would be the bank tie-up. So you should definitely look at what all banks are associated with the respective developers. That can give you quite a lot hint that yes, this developer has adhered to the norms wherein the banks can associate with them. So these are all some critical aspects of it. And then yes, apart from these things, one should definitely analyze the location and its future potential thoroughly. Here, on these aspects, here one can take, of course, help of some qualified consultants or a property expert as well. Thanks.
Right. Mr. Joshi, you talked about capital returns, like what would a buyer can expect in next 3 to 4 years. What about the rental returns? What would you like to say about that, Mr. Joshi?
So the rental, yes, post-COVID has gone down a bit. But yes, once the market is revived, if you talk about stock market and the real estate market per se, so yes, the rental will also pick up. So if you're considering Countdown X as a project, we are having few schemes and offers which are running at site. So we have a rental backed assurance where we are giving client rental from day one till the time we are giving possession. For a 2 BHK, we are giving them a rental of 30 to 35,000. For a 1 BHK, we are giving them a rental of 20 to 25,000 per month. So somebody who wants to enter into an under construction property, probably somebody who's staying on rent and cannot afford an EMI and rent together, yes, this is the best time to enter with Countdown X, where we are giving you a rental which none of the developers are giving you in the entire market. Yes. And if you talk about rental, yes, rental will fetch you good returns. Yes. But it all depends upon what location, primary location that you are looking out for a house, to buy a house. Yes.
Okay. Well, thank you, Mr. Joshi. Thank you, Mr. Pathak, for joining us. Well, that was all the time we had for today. Even though we are running out of time, our property experts are just one call away. Before we wrap up, I would like to thank our viewers and panelists once again for joining us. Feel free to drop in your queries on our social media channels. We'll see you soon in the next episode of our Right to Home webinar. Till then, take care and happy home buying.
Thanks, Surbi.
Thank you, Surbi. Thank you. Thank you, Brijesh sir. Thank you.